Hello there and welcome back. In this video, I would like to show you how you can create a Mutex protected queue. So cargo, new Mutex protected queue. Let's use MVim, and this is going to be our source code. Tomorrow I have already ordered the Apple keyboard, so I may not have to be so clumsy. So let's use std sync with arc and mutex, and we need to use std thread. And in the main function, the following needs to be implemented. We need a queue, which is going to be an arc new, and we need to pass the mutex new with a vector. And then we need a mutable handlers. Let mutable handlers, which is going to be a vector. An empty vector. Then we take a for loop and use it to iterate from 0 to 5. And we are going to clone the queue. Arc clone queue, and we will have a handle which is going to use the thread spawn, and we need a move, and I don't have the vertical lines, so I have to copy paste it, but now I am prepared. Good. And the mutable queue with the queue clone, and we have to lock it and unwrap it. And the queue that push with the I value. So basically what we are doing is using the for loop to create a queue clone, and we are going to push a value to the outside queue. After that, we are going to use the handles that push handles handlers that push queue, and then for handle in handlers we are going to call the handle that join with the unwrap, and we are going to have a final queue with the queue dot lock dot unwrap, and in the print line we will print the final queue. And we are going to use this formatter, and we need to use the star final queue. Let's try to run it, although QA notch, there may be some errors. So desktop coding and mutex protected queue and cargo run. And there we go. This is how you can create a mutex protected queue in Rust. See you in the next one.